Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use the Autocake feature on PancakeSwap. This is a way for you to earn interest on your cryptocurrency, currently about 64%, and it can frankly be one of the easiest ways for you to earn passive income from your cryptocurrency. So without further ado, let's dive into exactly what this process is and step-by-step how it works so that you can start earning on your crypto quickly. So the first thing to understand is that with the PancakeSwap Auto CAKE feature, basically what you're doing is staking your cryptocurrency. Now this basically allows you to put your cryptocurrency to work for you, and it goes out there, goes to work, and earns you interest in the process. Now, Autocake is a feature that allows you to automatically reinvest your profits and compound that interest compared to your manual cake where you can manually reinvest your profits if you want to. So that's the difference between those two. With the Autocake feature, there is a small 2% fee, but as you can see, even after that fee is accounted for, you're still going to be profiting pretty significantly when compared to manual cake, and you don't have to do anything because it's pure passive income as opposed to the manual cake where you have to go in there and actually reinvest manually. So that's kind of the difference between manual cake and Autocake. Now, how do you start using Autocake to earn passive income? Well, the first thing you have to do is head on over to PancakeSwap and connect your wallet. Now, if you don't know how to do this, we have a whole video walking you step by step through that process. But once that's done, you're going to need some cake tokens in order to participate in cake staking. To do that, you're going to press on trade. You're going to go over here, and if you don't have BNB coin either, again, that last video that I mentioned is going to walk you through exactly how to get some BNB coin in your wallet that is connected. So we're just going to buy some cake. I'll just buy one cake token for now. We'll press swap. You can see this is the transaction here. We'll press confirm swap. It'll go through, prompt me on MetaMask, tell me what the fee is going to be. We'll just press confirm here, and the transaction has been submitted, and we can just add cake to our MetaMask wallet here. We'll press add token, and then that should be good to go. So now we have some cake in our MetaMask wallet. We can just double check that to be sure. Come on over here, go to assets, and we see we have one cake. Wonderful. Now we can start to put that cake for work to us to earn some profit through Autocake. So we'll go over here to earn, we'll go to pools, and then within pools, you can see the Autocake pool right here. From here, we'll click on details. We'll press enable. There's going to be a small fee in order to enable this, so we'll just press confirm here. Once it is enabled, we'll be able to start staking our cake tokens and earning some sweet, sweet passive income. Now, you might have to wait a couple of minutes, but eventually that button will turn into this button that says stake. Now we'll press on that stake button. We'll deposit our one cake that we just bought. And we can see that even just with that one cake, we're going to be earning about $7 per year at the current interest rates. So we'll press confirm here. We'll press confirm again within MetaMask. That will take a little bit of time here to go through. But again, that's $11 worth of crypto that we're earning about $7 worth of passive income on per year. So if you extrapolate that out a bit, say you put $11,000 into Autocake, that would be a pretty nice payday for you. Now you can see that's gone through. We've got our staked cake that is now going to be compounding. And then from here, you can just check back later to see your profit over here and watch your crypto work for you and grow completely passively. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions about Autocake, feel free to drop those in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Additionally, if you want more videos about cryptocurrency and earning passive income, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.